Hi, I'm Scott. Welcome to Farmerize Stuff. I'm facing a real problem up in my forest. The last storm that blew through partially knocked down a large tree, and it knocked it right into another tree. So I've got a complicated falling job ahead of me today. The problem tree was partially uprooted, and as it fell over, it got caught up in another tree. What makes this problematic is it's hanging right over a major trail that I use to access my woods. It's a real danger. So with a little bit of planning and some cautious work, I'm going to fall the tree that's holding everything up, and I am hopefully optimistic that the rest of the mess will come down. But we're going to find out. This main tree we need to fall has a small stem that's going to be a little tricky, because as you get into the canopy, it's hard to tell how entangled the leaning tree is in the small stem. I think I can take it down safely. Well, this is unfortunate and one of the worst things that could have happened. In the tangle of branches, a crotch is kind of holding everything in place, and that tree that's at the angle is almost like supporting it. We're going to give it a minute. I hear it creaking and cracking, and see if gravity will help me out. With the way this is hung up, I feel pretty confident that I can come in, weaken my hinge a little bit more, and that might give it just enough with the gravity assist to take this mess down. Wow, that was awesome! You got to see what happened to the root ball on this tree. This thing is a monster. All right, it looks like I've got my work cut out for me to get these things cut into saw logs, dragged out of the woods, and up on the sawmill. Thanks for tuning in. If you like, I guess, cutting down stuff, subscribe to Farmerize stuff. Until next time, we'll see you then.